Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using Mind Lead Gen Secret. Alright, so we're only going to be using one account. Most people that use Mind Lead Gen Secret have multiple accounts, but we only using one account because people who are just starting will only try with one account to see it, get the ball rolling, so on and so forth. And that's what we're doing. We're trying to show the results of you if you just start, you know what I mean? So you might get better results to me, worse results to me, but this is what I'm just showing you what I get by doing the bare minimum. Alright guys? That's all I'm trying to show, guys. Now, if you're interested in following along, links in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business. Essentially, it's a funnel builder. At the end of the day, it's a funnel builder. It teaches you how to do everything with a funnel builder, but if you used a funnel builder before, you know exactly how to use it. Okay, guys? Very simple funnel builder. Easy to use, very easy, simple, quick. It's point and click type stuff, very easy, move around stuff. And another cool feature is that everybody that makes a funnel in the system, you kind of get a preview of that, so you probably won't even really need to make funnels because there'll be so many you could pick between to use instead. When it comes to funnels, you probably won't have to make any, so that's a good plus. Everybody in the system can give you funnels to use. Even if you don't know them, they don't gotta send it to you personally. It's just a thing where they could just put it up like, hey, I want other people to be able to use it. And yeah, you can choose between like so many funnels, depending on what they're about. But guys, that's all that is, guys. And it's $25 per month with no limitations on it. Any funnels you can make, pages, net the many domains that you want. It's very, very easy to make subdomains, stuff like that. And just the background stuff that you don't really think about when it comes to this stuff, it's very easy to do. So, and it's only $25 a month. Let me tell you now, the most popular funnel builder out right now is ClickFunnels. It's $150 per month, guys. And it can be kind of laggy. I don't know how it is now, but back when I was using it, it was kind of it was kind of janky. Just a little janky. It's funny because when I was using it, it was kind of the only one out there. But back then it was $97 per month. It's $150 per month now. They might have fixed all the jankiness in it or something, but I'm just saying, $150 per month. And you have limitations on. You can only make 20 funnels. You can only use one domain. It still got these huge limitations on it. That it's just insanity. And if you want to get rid of all of that, guys, you have to pay $300 per month, which is absolutely insane. That's a year in this system for essentially the same thing. Don't do it, guys. Get in this system instead. Now, second reason why I like promoting this product, and I think the reason you guys are interested and why I was initially interested, because it's affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions, which is the highest I ever heard. Let me tell you, I'm gonna give you an example of why this is just the best system to promote, period, with 80% recurring commission. Guys, before this system, if I heard 40, if I heard half, if I had heard half of the recurring commission, guys, I would think that was a really, really amazing deal. So 80% is just astronomical, unheard of. You understand? 30% is good, 40% is amazing. All right, before this product, 80% is unicorn level. Like, this don't happen. All right, so hop on this, guys, and promote it before all the people that would be interested get in here. And yeah, man, promote. We just doing it a very simple way, but I'm just saying this product really builds up. Look how much money I made doing this simple method, guys. I almost made $3.2 million in about 4 or 5 months. Now this is just what I'm making doing this one thing. I'm not doing a lot of stuff. I'm doing this one thing. I'm finna show you guys. All right, so we're gonna refresh the page. It's so real results, guys. Make sure you can see it. All right, guys, it looks like I did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine. Now let's go and move on to this product here. This is all I do, guys. This is all I do every morning. I come here, I go into my lead gen secret, got me an account, you know, do all the things to get your account. I go into mailing system, I hit select all. I hit select all. I go to the next email here. This one here is the next one. Just load it up. Look at it. Looks nice. Very short email. Hit perfect timing. Perfect timing does send an email around time people check it. And you see already the link in there. The link that I'm using, guys, is this link here. All in one $25 business. This one here. It promotes $20 commissions every month and $100 commissions every month. That's where I'm getting $100 from. Alright. So we do that. We hit preview. Make sure the link works, guys. I don't need to do that. And we hit send email. That is all that I do every day, guys. I do that every day. I do that every single day. And for the last like 5 months, I made $3,000, almost $3.2 thousand just off of doing that. That's all I've been doing. This works, guys. I'm not even doing that much and I'm making money off of it. That's not a ton of money, don't get me wrong, because I'm not super promoting it real hard. I'm just doing this very bare minimum thing. And you know, you see how fast it took me to do that? Like half a second. Not half a second, but half a minute, about 30 seconds. You do that every day. Make this extra money. That's all I'm saying, guys. That's all it takes. Make sure to and if you're interested in following along, guys, links in the description below, like I stated before. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Be sure to hit that notification bell and
Bye. Have a beautiful time.